In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Wix using a free app. Setting up a countdown timer on your website is a great way to drive engagement and create a sense of urgency for your visitors. Whether you're launching a new product or counting down to a special event, this feature can be valuable. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, begin by navigating to the Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, go ahead and locate the Add Elements button. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and widgets you can add to your site. The interface is intuitive, and Wix does a great job at ensuring you can easily locate the elements you need. Next, click on the Search option. Using the search function will save you some time and help you quickly find what you're looking for among the numerous options available in Wix. In the search bar, type in Countdown. This is the key term that will bring up all the related apps and widgets within the Wix environment. Now, from the list of search results, you'll want to choose an app that suits your countdown timer needs. Wix offers several free apps that are capable of adding a countdown timer to your site, so take a moment to explore the available options. Once you've decided on an app, the next step is crucial. Click on the Add to Site button. Doing this initiates the installation of the app into your website's interface. You'll be prompted with some terms and conditions. To proceed, click on the Agree and Add button to confirm that you're happy with the app's terms and begin the installation. After the app is added, you need to click on the newly added countdown timer element to place it wherever it best fits into your website. Placement is quite flexible, so feel free to experiment with where it looks most appealing and is most effective for viewers. With the countdown timer placed, select the Settings option. This is where the real customization begins. In the settings, you can dive deeper into designing your countdown timer and adjusting its functionalities to align with your website's theme. You have several options at your disposal, such as choosing a template, selecting the countdown type, and customizing the content and overall design. Make sure to explore these features so your countdown timer doesn't just tick down, but also complements the aesthetics of your site. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully added a countdown timer to your site. This enhancement can help keep your visitors engaged and can incentivize them to act before time runs out. Thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of your newly added countdown feature.